So I ended up cleaning the ductwork from above. And then the guy's already sealing these. These I'm gonna end up patching. I don't know why there's so many. Either patching or we might throw them this way. We'll see, but patch one and use one probably. Okay. Alright, so I gotta secure this over here. This last clip wasn't in all the way. I'm gonna finish that. Oh, pues ahora Uber, güey. Sé que, güey. How did I fix that real quick? I should have fixed it before I put this in here. Nah, well, Uber can be like $80, way. And then see how much you can charge for that line you did, way. Halfway pipe way. Say way. Un tornillo más largo, güey. Para meterla aquí tengo, güey. ¿Tienes punta de cruz ahí o no, güey?
¿Es 516 la que se ocupa también?
Ah, ahorita un cuarto. ¿Tienes punta de cruz?
Creo que
Que este compa trae mi taladro. Where's this guy got mine? So he got sick, that said he couldn't finish. So technically he did the disconnect. He did 8 feet of pipe. Oh, this guy. Güey, ¿tienes taladro de punta de cruz, güey?
aquí tengo.
Ok, chala. Déjame lo uso real quick. Para meter unos tornillos aquí. ¿Qué hay arriba, güey? A ver.
Creo que son una viga, creo.
Oh, it's not long enough. Sit down for a while, way. I'm gonna order some food, way. Hopefully, you feel better after food, way. Your body needs energy, way. It can't be living off those honey buns, way. Alright, way. Let's see what the
You got your iPhone charger?
iPhone charger's down here, way. I think I got it. A ver, way, order your Uber, way. Let's see, way.
Charger?
It's gonna be like $87, way.
Charger?
Charger. Uh-oh. Here, way. There's USB on the thing over there.
Charger? On the radio?
No, on the thing. Oh, it's probably because it is damn. This one probably is too damn tight. That's probably what happened here. That one I might have to go with sheet metal screws. Today's the AMA, well, that's probably why my head hurts. Safe when AMA. You can't handle the news that's about to come out. Oh man. Uh-oh, it's a lot of mess in there I gotta clean out. Cava este tubo, güey. Cava el tubo. Cávalo, güey. Ese tubo, güey.
Okay.
What the fuck? Liquid has been detected in the lightning connector.
Oh, your phone got in water, way?
Your charger.
Nah, way. I didn't have that problem. I was just charging, way. Are you sweating, way?
Oh, bro, my fucking head hurts. I can barely breathe.
Do we need to call? Oh, wait, we should call the ambulance, way. That way you only got Uber from the ambulance there, way.